Hi, this is Pam with Eli Eden Creative. Today we are doing a spread that has been inspired by coneflowers. I'd like to invite you to subscribe and ring the bell so that you don't miss any more creative times with me. Right now, I'm just using a stamp and adding writing to the backside of a paper, craft paper, and gluing it to the left side of the spread just to bring in a lot of interest to that side, and choosing some other papers that I'm considering using in the spread. Right now I'm just going to use washi to tape that one side down, and then I decided to put that black page underneath the flip, just creating more visual interest on that side. Now I'm gluing down this. It's sort of a plaid, actually. I kind of like the way that looks. It's like a grid. So it sort of looks scientific and Scottish all at the same time. And this paper here, I coffee dyed and dried and cut up and glued together into this little pad so that everything's sort of all tied together and easy to find. And if you're interested in kind of finding out how I do those things, just let me know in the comments down below. For this stamp, it's a field label. I didn't want it to be just right on the book, so I decided to stamp it onto a piece of, I guess, craft paper color, and then I ripped it just to add interest. I wasn't particularly fond of the pattern on the back side of that paper, so you do what you want. It's your paper, right? And then we're adding more washi because washi is super fun. And then I've decided to use this stamp, which is a coneflower, on this side of the page. I just decided what leaves and stem I wanted because I've got choices. And this is what I chose. So this part here, I was really careful with setting it down because it's on 3 different levels of paper and 3 different types of paper. So I really wanted to make sure that the impression was good. So that's just a tip. Take your time. I know everything seems fast. I do a lot of editing in these. I cut out a lot of time when I'm deciding where I want to stick things. So sometimes a 5-minute video is cut down from a 25-minute session of creating a spread. So I added a stamp with a mushroom. I sort of wanted to keep everything natural. And this little saying is an ancient Indian proverb, and it says, "Certain things catch your eye, but pursue only those that capture the heart." That's kind of deep, right? So you can see there that I was thinking about adding another mushroom to this, but I decided to go with more of the coneflowers. And you can see that I was thinking, do I want it to the side, like underneath? And then ultimately I decided to very carefully remove the backing of the sticker and place it on this one part here. It looks like sort of ledger paper behind there. I decided also to add more of this brown and navy blue paper. Adds another bit of interest and depth to the page. And I decided to tie the 2 pages together. It's sort of like an anchor Oh, this is liquid glue, but this is different liquid glue than the other time that messed up my page. You get away with very, very little and it sticks very, very much and very quickly. So what my point was is I have two of the same paper on opposite corners, and it sort of ties the whole spread together visually for me. And then I decided to write a tiny little journal post in that little square there. So this is today's spread, and I thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. If you have any ideas for spreads that you'd like me to work on, please comment down below. Take care.